The ASUS Hyper M.2 X16 V2 is a powerful expansion card tailored for both Intel Virtual RAID on CPU and AMD Ryzen Threadripper platforms, ensuring robust NVMe RAID support. This card features 4 M.2 slots, offering impressive bandwidth capabilities of up to 128 gigabits per second, making it ideal for high-speed data transfer needs. A stylish heatsink, combined with an integrated blower-style fan, effectively prevents the thermal throttling of M.2 drives, enhancing overall performance and reliability. Its compatibility with PCI Express 3.0 by 16 as well as X8 and X16 slots offers flexibility and ease of installation in a variety of systems. The innovative two-phase power solution provides up to 14 watts of output, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery to connected drives. Overall, this product represents a blend of cutting-edge technology and design, making it a valuable addition for users seeking to expand their storage capabilities.